Hello, this is Mike at GameFromScratch, and this is just a quick update of what's going on with the channel. And the truth of the matter is, nothing much is going on the channel, and I wanted to explain why. Now, if you're a regular of the channel, you probably already know why. I don't sound like this normally. A case of the bubonic plague, the Black Death, has come and visited my household, and it's hit me hard. I've kind of been intermittently voiceless for the last couple of days, which brings certain people a great deal of joy, but does make making these videos quite tricky for me. Truth of the matter is, my voice is only going to hold out for a couple more minutes, probably, of continuous talking. So I thought I would get this video out there to explain why there haven't been videos coming, as frequently as I like as of late. And hopefully this can't last much longer. This is already the excuse me, the longest lasting cold I have had in my life. So hopefully in a few more days I am back to normal, but that's why there has been some silence on the channel, why you haven't got your weekly news update, and a few other things. Now, I should explain, I am working on a couple tutorials that I hope you find interesting going forward. The next thing I wanted to really work on was something JavaScript related, HTML5 related. I haven't really done much in that area, so we kind of finished up the Lua tutorial series there. You've done a lot of Lua lately, so I want to switch back to a different language. So again, it's JavaScript I chose, and most of the time I've done HTML5 game dev in the past, I've always gone with TypeScript. So going JavaScript could be a little bit interesting. My first thought was to go with WebGL. So I started doing some sample code and such to make a tutorial for WebGL. And I hate to say it, but working with WebGL sucks. It's not a bad library by any means, but trying to create a tutorial for it is a nightmare. Part 1 was no problem. Here's how you set up your context. Here's how you create your window. You're off to the races. But part 2, here's how to draw a triangle on screen. You're up to 150 lines of code just to get through that. So trying to do that in a tutorial, and basically in that second part, I have to describe to you the shader pipeline, how to create a pixel shader, how to create a vertex shader or a fragment shader, how to do all your transformation matrices to just show something on screen, how state draw calls work, how to change color, etc., etc. So basically, working with WebGL, it's based on an old library, and it shows. It's not a really fun way to work, but I still do want to work in the browser on something. So what I've decided to do is a tutorial series on BabylonJS. Babylon is hosted on GitHub. I'll do more details on it very shortly, but I wanted to let you know I'm working on a tutorial series for working with 3D in the browser, or basically, well, hopefully we can cover deploying it on devices with something like Cocoon, etc. Or Cordova, or whatever technology I end up using. But that's where I'm headed next. I'm also going to probably do a 101 level video on shaders. So as part of what I realized while I was doing the WebGL work, that shader programming is complicated, and it's one of those things you're going to have to know. So I thought I'd do like a top level, here's how shaders work type tutorial coming soon as well. So that's it for now. That's what I'm up to right now. Again, hopefully this cold goes away to the point where my voice is stable for more than a couple of minutes, and I can, resume Game from Scratch coverage. So if you're wondering why things have been so quiet, that is why things have been so quiet, and the puppy in the background is not helping. But that's it. I hope you understand. I hope I'll be back very, very soon. And like I said, we're coming back with that BabylonJS series. Now, since there's not a whole lot to talk about in this actual video too, let me know what you want to see covered. Something that you would see over like a 4 or 5 video segment. If there's a certain technology I haven't covered already that you would really like to see covered, do let me know in the comments down below, and I will consider it. I'm always looking at, I'm equal opportunity game developer here, so I'm trying to cover just about every aspect of game development, every kind of game engine, every kind of game technology, as long as there's like a certain amount of appeal to it. I'm not going to be writing a game on 8-bit Amstrad computers or a game engine that hasn't existed for 10 years or anything like that. But I like covering the smaller niche engines for sure. So if there's something out there that you really do want to see covered, please let me know in the comments. It's the best way I can be made aware of it, and hopefully get something out that you like. So I hopefully will see you all soon. And if you're new to the channel, well, do click subscribe, come on back, and you can hear what I really sound like, hopefully in a couple of days. Alrighty, see y'all later. Goodbye.